In this video, I am going to show you how we can use rand between function in Excel. So rand between function generates a dummy values, uh, a low value and a high value you have to specify. So first of all, we will use equal to, because in Excel, every formula begins with equal to sign, then is rand between. And here we have to know the syntax first. It needs a bottom and a top value. So I can give it 1, comma 100 as high value, and then a random value is generated. So I can drag here in the 13 row, and as you can see, it has generated the random values. So it can be used where you want to test. Or if you are a tutor, you can show to your students without typing any value. We can generate random values for a given series or given task. So, but it has one weakness. I have saved this file on my desktop, and if I again open this file, it will generate new random values, because every time you open your sheet, it will generate a random value, means it will recalculate the random values. So if you can see here, here is my book one. So it has generated the random values. To sort out this issue, we can copy this value to a fixed values. What you have to do is select the cell and copy, and then paste it as values. So now the value has been pasted, and new random value is generated. And if you save this sheet and reopen it, then you will be getting the default values. And there will be no random value. There will be no formula on the value we have generated. So this is how a rand between function works. Thanks for watching.